Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome back to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to send confidential email or emails in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so whether you're composing a new message or replying to a conversation or an email, the procedure is just the same. So let's try composing a message and let's maximize this. So for example, I want to send an email, this user, subject confidential, and attach. And this email is very important and is confidential. Or is a top secret. Okay, so since our email is said that it is very important and a top secret, as you can see, Google is already giving us a suggestion to try confidential mode to help us secure our information. So that's basically what we'll do. Click this confidential mode, and as you can see, you can set an expiration date for this email. So like for example, here expires in 1 week. Either it means that after a week the email won't be opened by the recipients. And as you can see, in confidential mode, recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download the email. You can also choose to require a passcode. All passcodes will be generated by Google, so you can either choose no SMS passcode or SMS passcode. So if you click SMS passcode, Google will send the passcode through a text message, and when the recipient wants to open the email, he or she will be needing to ask you for the passcode, which is sent to your SMS or your phone. So that's basically it, and then just click send. Since we have turned on the SMS passcode, it will ask you to confirm phone numbers. So yeah, let's turn that off, and then yeah. So as you can see here, it says that this email will expire after a week, and the recipients again won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download the email. So we hope you learned something from this video on how to send confidential emails. And if you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!